The packaging of WANBO Valley 1 Pro reflects a clean, lifestyle-oriented aesthetic. The beige tone presentation highlights the projector's sculpted design and emphasizes its Google TV certification. Inside, the layout is minimal and orderly. The projector sits securely within protective foam, accompanied by the remote control, power cable, and documentation. Initial handling immediately communicates that this is not an ultralight Pico projector. At approximately 2.8 kilograms, the Valley 1 Pro carries enough weight to feel stable and substantial. This balance between portability and structural solidity is deliberate, especially considering the integrated gimbal system. The WANBO Vali 1 Pro distinguishes itself through intelligent mechanical design and full ecosystem integration. The 200-degree gimbal is not a gimmick. It meaningfully expands placement flexibility and enhances real-world usability. Combined with full HD resolution, autofocus and keystone automation, Dolby audio support, and certified Google TV, the Valley 1 Pro delivers a cohesive and refined entertainment experience. As a lifestyle-focused smart projector designed for adaptable indoor environments, the Valley 1 Pro achieves an impressive balance between engineering innovation and everyday practicality.